The first thing you need to know about cranes is that there's two main categories, mobile and fixed. Mobile cranes are cable controlled and have a telescopic boom. They can be maneuvered around the site, set up faster, and are less expensive than static cranes. Fixed cranes are installed in one place on the project site. While not compact, they can lift heavy weights and move them to staggering heights. Here's some more information about each crane. Mobile cranes. Carry deck. Carry deck cranes are some of the smallest. Thanks to their portable size, they can fit on a truck and squeeze into narrow spaces. They also feature a 360-degree rotation setting. Floating. As the name suggests, a floating crane floats. It's used for marine construction and can sometimes be submerged. Crawler. This large crane uses tracks instead of rubber wheels. This helps it to crawl across landscapes slowly yet securely. It has a carriage that's fastened to a telescopic arm. The driver can sit inside the carriage to manipulate the arm's height and direction. Shown here is the Lampson's Transilifts LTL 1100 working at a mine in Utah. The LTL 1100 boasts up to 400 feet of main boom and an ultimate capacity of 1,100 U.S. tons. Truck-mounted. Truck-mounted cranes have a truck-like base that has a boom dangling over the top. Because of the boom's unique angle, it's typically used to build or fix overpasses. Rough terrain. Rough terrain cranes look similar to crawlers, but instead they move with the help of 4 large tires. The tires are made with multiple rubber layers that ensure debris doesn't cause damage. They also have distinctive treads that keep the crane stable as it rolls. Now before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support. Fixed cranes. Bridge, also known as overhead cranes. A bridge crane resembles a bridge due to its tall, overlapping steel beams. Built into the center of the crane is a hoist that can assist with lifting and maneuvering objects. There's 2 types of bridge cranes. A gantry, an interchangeable option that's secured to tracks. Jib crane, a permanent alternative that's used to do repetitive tasks. Hammerhead. Hammerhead cranes are built on a tower and are extremely flexible. They can be racked, which allows drivers to safely move various weights around without it tilting. The one downside to this crane is that it's time-consuming to assemble. Bulk handling. As the name implies, this crane is fabricated to handle bulky loads, especially minerals and other natural elements. It's typically a thinner crane with a hooked arm that connects to a large bucket. Telescopic. Telescopic cranes have a boom that can extend anywhere from 100 to 200 feet. The crane is affixed to a truck that has controls to adjust its hydraulic cylinders in order to increase the boom length. When the job's complete, the boom can be collapsed back into the truck's bed. Stacker. Stacker cranes are meant for warehouse use, but they can also be placed on construction sites to protect workers from harsh weather conditions. This crane uses a special mechanism that lifts a small platform up and down its tower. Tower. Tower cranes are one of the most frequently used types of cranes. Having the ability to reach impressive heights, they have a cab at the top where a horizontal jib rotates and lifts the materials. What to look for in a crane? Before you buy or rent a crane, you'll want to check a few things, including its load weight limit, its lift height, the terrain it works best with, its price, its size, its moving distance. Find a reputable crane seller. There's plenty of companies out there that offer cranes, but not all will be manufactured equally. Before making an investment, consider this. How long has the seller been in business? How large is their inventory? Previous reviews. And do they specialize in specific types of cranes? We hope you enjoyed this exclusive E&C guide, and we want to thank our sponsor, Lampson International, home of the Lampson Transilift and a worldwide leader in the heavy lift and transport industry for over 70 years. Stay tuned for more heavy equipment guides. Also, you can view our complete list of guides at eandcmag.com. That's eandcmag.com.